Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and page. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is abacha, also known as African salad. I'm going to show you how I made this one. Please make sure you watch from the start to the end and also help me to share the video as well. Thank you. So I have my fish here, which I've already grilled in the air fryer. I have my calabash nutmeg, grinded crayfish. I have my mixed potage in water. I have my uba. And now I'm going to start the mixing. I'm going to thoroughly filter the water with the potash and add it gradually to my pot with palm oil. As you can see, I added palm oil first before adding the potash and water. So after doing that, I'm going to add the calabash nutmeg. Like I'm just going to add everything now, like add the crayfish, the seasoning, and after adding the seasoning, I'm going to add a little amount of salt, just a little amount, okay? And then I'm going to add the uba and my fish. As you can see, I had to pieces the fish. That's how I want it. I added also scotch bonnet pepper and of course my onions. Yes, onions is also very important for this recipe. And I also added my uziza leaf. Guys, this is optional. Like you can skip this if you don't want to add the uziza leaf, okay? Just keep it and do it without the leaf because the leaf is also a little bit bitter. So if you don't want the bitterness, just skip that. So last but not the least, that is my abacha, okay? So I just added the abacha. I'm going to make sure that I stir carefully, like everything is thoroughly mixed. And as you can see, I also added the rest of the crayfish that I used earlier. So that's it, guys. Now I'm going to just let it on the fire for like 30 seconds, okay? I'm not going to let the fire be too hot. I don't want the abacha to be too cold. That's why I decided to do it like that. And after that, guys, I turn off my heat. And that's it. My abacha is ready, also known as African salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me to share this video if you like it. Comment and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you all so much for watching and I'm going to say bye for now. See you in my next video. All right, bye.